Have you ever sat down with your child to read and it ended in tears or boredom and you felt a little insecure that you're not doing your job right? You tried worksheets, you've tried games, you even tried tutors, but it's just not working for this child. And I get it, you're frustrated, your child's confidence may be slipping, you're feeling insecure, and reading feels more like a chore. But here's the good news I'm super excited about. There is a shortcut. It's not another app. It's not hours of phonics drills. It's something you already use every day. Music. Music. I love music. That's why I've created this free live workshop called Reading Success Starts with Music. We're doing this on October 11th at 1 p.m. And I would love for you to please register. You will get a free bonus. And I'm very excited to see all of you. And don't forget, music is the complete new vehicle we're going to be speaking about. Looking forward to seeing you.